New player. Iran. Iran. Oh. Iran team.
Yeah.
Iran. How many archer come?
Full.
Full.
Four
Compound. All team.
Yeah. We have, yes.
Oh, she.
Yeah.
Oh, Olympic medal? Medal? No.
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 Four time Rango.
Regular player.
Yes. 5,000. That's target. Compound and weekly.
Compound.
Traditional also have.
5,000 archer all around Iran.
Yes.
This is your main team, number one team or second team come here?
This is the
Main team come. Foreign player only? So full team. Now in this championship, what is your target?
we're coming for best result, best performance.
What is your expectation? How many gold medals you want to achieve here?
Click Studio
Iran
Camera.
Yeah, Iran team, yeah.
Just try for the best performance.
Best performance.
Yeah.
Last
The last team.
last championship 2023
Now-
in Thailand. How many gold medal Iran got? Last Asian championship?
Championship we take the bronze medal.
Bronze medal.
Yes. Professional.
All professional.
Yeah. Just stay in the camp. Morning, afternoon, night. Yeah. 1,000.
Total
1,000.
1,000. How many tournament?
Tournaments. The year maybe 20, 25.
Total
We have Liga. We have a stage. Stage 1, stage 2.
8 states.
And we have Liga.
ইরানি এটা তো শ্রীলঙ্কা এটা শ্রীলঙ্কা মাদারটা